Using the power of AI, I'm gonna show you how to create some insane video ads that look like they came straight off of a $100,000 production set. Every single ad that you're seeing right now was created without actors, without a camera crew, and without any traditional production setup. And yet, they look 100% real. I mean, none of these people on the screen that you're seeing right now are real people, but they look like real people. And so in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I created each one of these ads step by step using Higgsfield Marketing Studio and show you how to get results that look like this.
Okay, sky high mascara, 2 swipes, and my lashes look crazy long.
All right, so the first ad that I'm gonna show you how to create is this super high-end cinematic ad that looks like it was created specifically for a TV spot.
Hey, I'm gonna need those really boring reports by 4 p.m.
Now, normally, something like this would require a full production team with cameras, lighting, actors, and potentially multiple days worth of shooting. I would call this a $100,000 ad. But in this case, everything that you just saw was generated inside one platform. So let me show you exactly how this was created. So to create this ad, we only used two different things, two different inputs. A link to the product page and this avatar here, which in this case happens to be me. And with just those two inputs, we were able to produce that ad. So let's go ahead and jump into Higgsfield Marketing Studio and I'll walk you through how this was actually created. Now to get to this tool, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Click that link and it'll bring you to Higgsfield. Once you're logged in and your account is created, you're just gonna click up here on the Marketing Studio. And once here, the first thing I'm going to choose is the type of ad I want to create. Since we're going for that high-end cinematic look, I'm gonna select TV spot. And honestly, even something like the hypermotion or even the wild card would work really well for this. But for this example, I'll just stick with TV spot. Next, I'll add the product and you can either paste in a link to the product page or upload images directly. I'm just going to use the same product from earlier and paste in the link right here. Then after that, you can add an avatar if you want a person in your ad. If you don't want anybody to appear on the screen, you can just leave the avatar blank. But if you do use one, this is what keeps the same person consistent across every single scene within your video, which is a big part of what makes this feel like a real ad. So I'm going to add an avatar here, and in this case, I'll just use myself. And finally, we have to add the prompt. And this is where you describe what actually happens within the ad. And so instead of trying to come up with everything, from scratch yourself, I'm actually gonna head over to Claude AI, and Claude is going to help me build out a prompt for this ad. So I'll just give it a simple instruction like this, and then paste in the product link at the end. From there, it'll generate something that I can use as a starting point. Now, I don't necessarily want to just copy this exactly as is. You can, but what I'm gonna do is take what it gives me, tweak a few things, and just make sure that it matches everything that I'm looking for. Then I'll take that prompt and drop it right in here within Higgsfield. Finally, you can adjust things like the aspect ratio depending on where the ad is going, along with the resolution and the duration. But once everything is set, all you have to do is hit generate. And just like filming, an ad in real life, you're not always going to get perfect results on the first shoot or on the first try, right? And so sometimes you will have to regenerate your ad a few times or tweak the prompt a little bit until you get something that actually looks right. But once you do, you'll end up with something like this. Okay, so we're gonna make another ad and we're just gonna use the same exact product, except this time I don't wanna have an avatar in the video. This time it'll just be maybe a hypermotion ad that sort of shows the product in a very exaggerated and exciting way. So I've got my prompt ready right here from Claude. It looks like this. And then from Higgsfield Marketing Studio, I'll switch the ad format to hyperfocus, add the link to the product, as well as paste in my prompt. And this time I won't select an avatar because we don't want to have any people appear in the ad. Once that's all set, I'll click on generate and let's take a look at what it has created for us. All right, next, I want to create some UGC-style ads. These are the types of ads that you typically see on platforms like TikTok or just like other short form platforms. And these ads tend to perform extremely well. So similar to the last ad that we created, there are only two elements that we need to create these UGC-style ads. We'll need a link to the product page or like an image of the product, and an avatar. And with just those two inputs, as well as your prompt, of course, we'll be able to produce an output. And so I've got a few different UGC ads that I'm going to create here, and we'll start with this one right here.
80 markers, dual tip, comes in this case, all for like 20 bucks on Amazon. The blending is actually insane. Yeah, links in my bio.
So for this, I'm going to switch the format over to UGC. And honestly, you could even do tutorial style or unboxing or even a product review if you wanted to. But for this example, I'll just stick with the UGC format. From there, I'll use these markers that I found on Amazon as our example product. So I'll paste that link in right there, and then we can select our avatar. Now, before we generate anything, we need to add in a prompt to tell it exactly what we want the ad to look like and what we want to happen within the ad. So just like before, I'm going to use Claude AI to help me build out a quick UGC style prompt. I'll tell it something simple like, write me a short UGC style ad for these markers, something that feels natural like a TikTok video, and then paste in the link from Amazon. And if you want, you can get more specific with what you want the UGC creator to be doing in the video. You can specify all of that within your prompt. So feel free to get as detailed as you want. But from there, it'll give me a solid prompt to work with, and I'll usually tweak it a little bit so that it sounds how I want it to sound. Then I'll take that prompt, drop it right here in Higgsfield, and click generate.
80 markers, dual tip, comes in this case, all for like 20 bucks on Amazon. The blending is actually insane. Yeah, links in my bio.
Now, this is where this tool can become extremely valuable for a brand, or even if you're doing something like running a dropshipping store. Because instead of creating one UGC ad, you can generate multiple versions using different avatars. So I could create one version where, you know, someone is testing the markers with one avatar. I could make another version where somebody is perhaps like drawing something with the markers, and then another version where somebody is reacting to the colors. And very quickly, we can build out multiple variations of that same product. And just to kind of give you an idea, here are a few different versions of this UGC video, all using the same prompt, but with different avatars and slight variations.
Any markers, 80 colors, dual tips, watch this blend. How is this 20 bucks? These markers are ruining my sleep schedule. I'm obsessed. AnyMark gives you 80 colors, dual tips, and this purple is buttery.
You know, normally, if you wanted to test this many variations of a UGC ad, you would have to have, you know, multiple creators that you're paying. You would have to, you know, give them feedback on their UGC ads, wait for revisions, all of that. But here, you can generate all of this in a fraction of the time and start testing what actually works almost immediately. And I took the liberty of creating these other two UGC ads using two different sets of inputs, using the same exact process that I just showed you, and here are the results.
Okay, sky high mascara, 2 swipes, and my lashes look crazy long. No flakes, no smudge.
Oily skin? This bricklet face wash cleans deep but stays gentle. No tight, dry feeling.
Now, for this last example, I want to show you something a little bit different, because not every single ad that you create needs to be this massive, you know, cinematic $100,000, you know, TV spot ad. And not every single ad needs to be UGC style. Sometimes you just want something that clearly shows the product, how it works, and why someone should actually buy it from you. So for these ads, I've got a few different input examples that I'll be using. So the first will be an unboxing video where we have this avatar here unboxing a milk frother that I found on Amazon. So just like before, I'm in the Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and the first thing I'll do is switch the ad format to unboxing. Then I'll go ahead and add the product link here from Amazon, and then add my avatar here. Then I'm going to use Claude to help build out the prompt, but this time I'll ask it for something more specific to an unboxing style video. So I'll give it a prompt like, write a short unboxing style script for a milk frother focusing on packaging, what's included, and first impressions. Then I'll take this prompt, and if everything looks good, paste it into Higgsfield, and I'll go ahead and generate the ad.
Okay, I've wanted this frother forever. Oh, wow. Mint green. The whisk is so nice. It feels super solid.
Now for the second ad, I want to do something a little bit more tutorial style. So instead of focusing on the unboxing, this one is more about actually showing how the product works and why someone would use it. And for this one, these will be the inputs here. So I'll be using this avatar here, and the product I'll be using is this blender that I found on Amazon. So I've already got my prompt that I generated from Claude, and I'll just paste that into Higgsfield here, and then click on product and paste in my Amazon product link, and then add the avatar, and then click on generate.
Quick setup, check the 6-cup lines, lid stays on, then choose ice crush or smoothie, and go.
You know, and something else you can do that's really powerful is actually combine multiple types of ads together. And so, for example, let's go back to that unboxing ad that we created earlier of the milk frother. You could start the video with something like the first 5 to 10 seconds being your avatar unboxing the product, and then transition into a second ad using that same product and the same avatar, but this time in a tutorial style format where you actually go a bit deeper into how the product actually works. Then all you have to do is just take these two clips and splice them together in any editing software of your choice, and you end up with something that looks like this.
Okay, I've wanted this frother forever. Oh, wow. Mint green. The whisk is so nice.
Hit this button, keep the whisk just under the milk, and you'll get thick foam fast.
And this is where things start to get really interesting, because now you're not just creating individual ads, you're building out full sequences, right? You've got a hook at the beginning with the unboxing, and then you follow up with a more detailed explanation of the product, which helps to build trust and helps you to actually sell the product. And once you start thinking this way, you can start to mix and match all kinds of different formats like UGC, tutorial reviews, and you can start creating some really compelling ads from this. Now, I want to talk about how you can use Higgsfield's Marketing Studio to create real opportunities for yourself, right? Because once you understand how to do this, there are so many different ways you can use it. For example, if you're running something like a dropshipping store or a TikTok shop, or really just any type of e-commerce store, this tool allows you to quickly create multiple ad variations for a product, quickly test them, and figure out what actually performs without having to hire creators or spend a ton of money up front. If you're doing something like Etsy, like an Etsy shop or a print-on-demand shop, you can take your product listings and turn them into actual video ads that help you to stand out compared to everyone else just using images on their listings. And even if you aren't selling your own product, this is something that you could easily offer as a service.
Okay, the Mayo tuck is finally here. I styled it with this whole burgundy moment. The canvas feels super sturdy and the print is so clean.
You could reach out to small businesses or e-commerce brands and help them to generate ads like this for their products. And if you're able to give them professional results much quicker and arguably at a higher quality, then they're probably gonna be happy to hire you to do the job. And the best part is once you understand the process, it's really just a system, right? Because you've got your product, you've got your format, you've got the avatars and everything, and then you've got your prompt. And from there, you can start creating really anything that you can imagine. So if you wanna try this out for yourself, I'll leave a link to Higgsfield down in the description below or the pinned comment for you to get started. And hey, if you got value from this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you wanna see more content like this, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below as well. I'll be sure to quickly answer them. Hey, thank you so much for being here, and as always, I will see you again in the next one. Take care.